Hello, everyone, and welcome to the last module for week 3. Some of you may be done. Some of you are looking at this for the first time, and that is fine. You do have until noon today to finish it, so let's go ahead and get started. The objective for the day is going to be students will be able to state their opinions regarding the outcome of the Nuremberg trials by participating in a class discussion. Some of you may have heard about the Nuremberg trials or the Nuremberg laws. I'm going to assume that most of us have not, and that's okay. The Nuremberg trials really cement the end, really mark the end of any sort of Nazi rule in Germany. We'll look at the vocab words and go over all of that in a second, but just so you know, this is kind of considered the end of the Holocaust. Your task for today is to complete all of the modules and make sure they are turned into Google, and then complete all of the mastery checks and submit it on Edulastic as well. Okay. Before we really get into the Nuremberg laws, though, your do now is actually about El Chapo. Okay. There is a connection, I promise. So this is a link here. This link will take you to a video on YouTube from CNN.com. If that does not work, this is what it's called. So you'll type that into your phone. Once again, as always, if you are in class and the video is not working, we will play it as a class so you can watch it there. So you will answer these questions. Remember the green stars you need to complete. And then you are done with the do now.